those are some. Good morning, guys. Those are some of my shirts that is in YouTube. It is now 5:20. Yeah, 5:20. I wake up really early today, around 3:30, and yeah, because last night I sleep really early. Yeah, and I am now hungry. That's why I'm preparing my meal. It's going to be this rice. I'm reheating it now. And some of this sausage that I made yesterday, I'm going to steam it a little bit with this little water. 2 pieces is enough because I'm also going to fry 1 piece of egg. Sun is not rising yet, but yeah, it is already showing the sky. Yeah, in case you don't know, that is actually a burger, a leftover burger that I keep in the freezer for maybe 2 months already. I don't like it before because when I cooked that burger, it was really oily, so much spot. Yeah, so I keep it in the freezer. And yesterday I was trying to make something, and yeah, I decided to make it longanisa. So I basically just added some garlic, no, a lot of garlic, and then sugar, honey, and paprika. Yeah, it is now almost 10 o'clock, and yeah, this morning, yeah, you've seen me this morning. I wake up pretty early, around 3 o'clock, 3:30 something. Yeah, I already had my breakfast. My breakfast was rice, longanisa, egg, and again I am hungry. So I'm going to eat this. If you remember this, I bought this like 2 or 3 or 4 days ago. Pizza. Yeah, this is Hawaiian pizza. You know, the Italians, they don't like Hawaiian pizza. They don't like pineapple in a pizza. Yeah, they said kiskipo. Yeah, they said like that. We're going to use this one. Look at that. There are some dust inside because never been used. Not too much. How this pizza looks like. Thin and crispy pizza with pineapple, premium ham, mozzarella, and Edam cheese. I'm not really a big fan of pizza, and I actually can't finish one full pizza, and sometimes one slice is too much for me already. At work we have pizza. Oh, this is how it is. Changed my mind. I'm going to cook it in the oven. Not that one. Cancel. Not 20. And that is how it looks now. Oh, it's a burn. Yeah, this plate is Inigo's plate. I think it's wrap plate. Yeah, it's good. It's really crispy, crunchy bread. I also like the tomato sauce that they have in here. I like it. This is the second already. This is the third. And this is the fourth. I have 4 more slices. And this is the pip. I'm already full. I still have 3 pieces. I don't want to force myself of eating all of this. Yeah, I'll eat it tonight. Oh la la, just now I noticed that this pizza is actually made in Canada. I thought it's local product. That strong wind is really not allowing me to go outside. Look at that. I am again preparing my meal. This is going to be my lunch. So this morning I had longanisa, and for the lunch I had pizza. I still have some leftover pizza, and it's going to be dry here because there's no cover, but it's okay. And this is going to be the last one. I need to cook this because this been in the freezer for a long time. Also, it's been in the chiller for around 3 days, so need to be cooked. And we cannot put this back in the freezer because it's already defrosted. The strong wind is actually not a cold strong wind like the previous days. Yeah, it feels like it's still good to go outside.